Trading bias. Bias is simply your directional expectation, whether you want the market to go up or down or you don't know. It's not just a guess. Here are some of the importance of trading with a bias. Trading with a bias will help you keep in sync with the dominant trend. It helps you filter out the bad setups that might go against the market. It will help you boost your win rate. It will also help you reduce on over trading because you're now focused. It will give you the confidence to wait for your perfect entry. Get our BYBT strategy ebook to master this even deeper. The link will be in the description. Here is how we identify our bias using the BYBT strategy. We shall be on the British pound and the US dollar on the 1 minute in the London session. So first of all, we shall use the market structure, identifying the high, and that lower high is giving us our first directional bias. After there, the market forms support, giving us our pullback, creating a zone of resistance, at that point. After creating a zone of resistance, we are having another bias or sell off to the downside, creating another zone of support. After creating the market of support, the market is pulling back to previous zones of resistance, and that is giving us our retest. Okay, so after having two levels of resistance, we can be able to draw our trend line connecting this one and that one. So from there, we'd love to see some bit of momentum kicking in. So we are having a very big momentum candle breaking below the previous support zone that was created, creating a new lower low to the downside. That shows us that the sellers are ready to continue with the current trend. So on the closure of this candle, we shall be able to take our sells. Our stop loss is going to be above our area of confluence. Then we shall aim for around 14 pips to the downside. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We always give trading insights and best trading tips that will help you improve on your trading journey. Subscribe and follow for more. So on this setup, we shall be risking around $60 to make $130. If you've enjoyed the video, subscribe, give us a like, and comment on what video you'd love to see next. See you in the next one.